Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to edit Xero email templates. First, go ahead and log into your Xero account. Once inside the dashboard, go to the top left corner and click on your company name. Now, select on Settings from the drop-down. After that, go to Email Settings, click on it, and now you will see your templates. To edit them, click on the Edit button, and in here you can see your different email templates. Change one, just click on it, and in here you can change its name. Also, you can change the subject line and edit the message of the template. You can also go ahead and insert a placeholder. Now just click on Save to apply the changes you've made. After that, you can also go ahead and add another email template if you want. And that's just basically it. That's how you edit Xero email templates. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.